All right, people, this is a monumental day in the Beagle Queen's saga of the mini fridge. Okay, watch any of my grocery hauls. My mini fridge freezes everything for years, okay? And it's a constant battle. Many vegetables have suffered as casualties in the mini fridge saga, okay? I've unplugged and plugged back in, defrosted my mini fridge 1,000,000 times, okay? Plus the mini fridge is mini. It doesn't hold very much, okay? So today, I unplugged my mini fridge, as I do multiple times during the day, to avoid other food casualties. This is what happened. Do you see that? Do you see it? So this little thing, it broke off and it got stuck in there. Oh! So as you can see, I had no other option. Behold, my newest savior of the food. Do you see what is happening here? My fat arm. But anyways. What? It opened. Yay! Woohoo! Fridge unboxing. I bet you guys have never seen a fridge unboxing. I'm an innovator, okay? I also look like a garbage can, but that's fine. I mean, who cares? Anyways, that's my, you know what, honestly, that is my new favorite saying. Okay, who cares? Just like look at my room. Who cares? Okay, look at all my YouTube videos. Like, who honestly cares? Okay, anyways, and if you care, what's wrong with you? There's many other things to be more concerned with. Anyways, I can't open this. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. People, look at this. Okay, look at this. Just look. I figured it out. I am the queen. Oh, goodness. Wow. Dee 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 dee. This is so great, man. This is amazing. I feel so proud of myself. I finally got a new fridge after that other fridge had given me problems for years. I mean, that other fridge was free, you feel me? So, and it's only in the past month or so that I've been, you know, making enough cash where I can just be like, oh, my fridge broke? Cool, let me buy a new one. Instead of, oh, my fridge broke? Cool, I guess I'm starving. Anyways, okay, let's get off of this platform. See, speaking of fat arms, okay, this is so great. Okay. Yay, I did it. I did it. I did it. Look at this mini fridge. Now, this is not where I really plan on keeping my fridge, but because of that situation over there, I don't want to touch that socket, you feel me? I feel like we're going to have to get a professional to deal with that because I don't want to get electrocuted. I look so gross right now. That's great. I mean, it's fine. Honestly, it's honestly fine because, you know, I have a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend and we love each other and it doesn't matter. You know, a lot of the times he thinks I look cute when I think I look so ugly. So probably right now he would probably think I look cute because he's weird. But anyways, okay. It doesn't matter if I look ugly because I already have a boyfriend, so. I'm not trying to get a boyfriend, you feel me? I already have one, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Woohoo! All right, people. So let's take a tour of this new mini fridge. Let's see. So let's go adjust the tripod slightly so you can see. Okay. All right. Okay, this tripod is fucked up. Okay, so this is my mini fridge. Okay, cool. You can't even see it. People, the situation that I'm in right now is my phone is dead, so you have to be plugged into the wall while you're on my tripod, while I'm trying to give you a new fridge tour. Like instead of a house tour, fridge tour. Oh my gosh, people, I'm such an innovator. Cool, I can't even say the word. Okay, I like it. It's like stainless steel, kind of. I don't even know. And it's got a whole separate freezer section. Look how deep this freezer is. Oh, okay. Look at this. Ooh, it smells like styrofoam, like a motherfucker. Like a motherfucker. Like a motherfucker. Cool, I'm breaking in this new mini fridge by using jazz musician slang words. Motherfucker. Like a motherfucker. Bitches be all sedity and shit. What else do they say? What else do they say? I'm just gonna say words now. Jive. What else do they say? I forget. But anyways. Jazz musicians have the best slang. I'm just saying. I'm not biased or anything. Okay, anyways. Okay. Then, ooh. And then here's the fridge part. Look, it's got these compartments. Look at that thermostat. What is this? I don't even know, but it looks cool. And then this little thing. You could put shit. Vegetable tray. I mean, people. New phone, new car, new mini fridge. New me. Okay. New car, new phone, new mini fridge, new me. And it's not even the new year yet. I'm ahead of the game. Okay. P.S. My videos are very raggedy. I mean, those words were not necessary. But I have one person on my Patreon. So that's great. Thank you. So I just wanted to say my Patreon is a thing. So peep it. Peep it before I sleep it. Cool. Okay. Take out all this styrofoam shit. It looks like it's deeper. Like it's deeper than my other fridge. We'll see. We'll see when I transfer all my music and all my contacts and all my apps. My food into my new phone. Mini fridge. Is there an app for that? No. Because apps are stupid. And that joke is lame. And I hate that joke. And whoever made that joke is an idiot. Because everyone says it now. So if everyone says it now, that means whoever made it up is an idiot. Because why did you make it so basic that everyone says it now? You should have made it more obscure so that no one really gets it. Like my videos. Okay. Like an acquired taste. Do you feel like I'm an acquired taste? Where was I today? Okay, if you weren't in my brain just now, that would feel like that would be a random thing to say, but I was thinking about something and I was like, okay, so I'm gonna transfer all my food in here and I'll see you guys in a minute. And I got a pimple right there. That is so great. Hey baby, what's your name? Damn, girl, you so fine. I found you, Miss New Booty. Get it together, bring it back to me. She's so thick, though. Hey, can I have your number? Can I have it? Oh, that's a French-ass name. All right, people, so my fridge is installed. Let's see what's in it. So this is my freezer. Most of these things don't really go in the freezer, but I keep them in the freezer because there's no room for them in the refrigerator part. And their integrity doesn't get lost if they get frozen. So I have these organic Thompson seedless raisins, pure vanilla bites from Hail Mary, some sun-dried tomatoes from Trader Joe's, Sunspire grain-sweetened chocolate chips, some more Hail Mary little dessert things. These are the caramel sea salt. And then I have some organic 3-grain tempeh. And then I have 2 of the very green juices. And then I have, these are the best raisins of all time. Okay, they're from the farmer's market. I mean, they look kind of messed up now because they've been in the freezer. Those are the best raisins. And then these, I have one of these organic apple strawberry fruit sauce crushers. I have some tofu puffs, tofu hot dogs. Then, that's the freezer. Then I have the refrigerator part. You know what? Mostly what I have in the refrigerator is like condiments. You feel me? So I have gochujang Korean sauce. I have mayo miso chipotle sauce. I've got maple syrup. I've got shiitake sesame salad dressing. I've got miso ginger salad dressing. I've got organic yellow mustard. I've got some capers. I've got some umeboshi paste. I've got some pickled ginger. I've got some organic kosher sandwich pickles. I've got some some spicy pickled vegetables. I've got some more maple syrup. I've got some Turkish apricots, dried apricots. I got some carrots. I got some organic unsweetened applesauce. I got some tortillas, non-GMO, girl. This is leftover. I just made it today. Daya mac and cheese. Oh, you know what I put in there? You see that green stuff? I blended it with some quinoa pesto, which I have in here. I'll show you in a minute. Some rice drink. This is a Hail Mary lime flavored tart. And I have the Go Veggie American cheese slices. I've got some Earth Balance. I got some umeboshi plums back there. Butternut squash zigzags. Rice mallow cream. This is gluten, vegan, non-dairy. This is from Whole Foods. It's sweetened with brown rice syrup, so it's not fucked up. It's vegan egg, some tofu, some vegan mayo, wild brine, Brussels sprout, some kimchi back there, and oh, here it is. This is what I mixed with my mac and cheese, and it was bomb. Pesto and quinoa from Trader Joe's. Then let's see what else I got. Got snacks on snacks on snacks on snacks. Okay. It's mostly, as you can see, it's mostly like condiments and little like vegan, little, you know, shit. And this is the orange ginger carrots, fermented vegetables, some brown rice syrup. Oh, this is an onion that I've been chopping at. Okay, I just wrap it in a paper towel to save it. And then I have this, whatever. And I got some barbecue sauce. Coolness. So that's everything in my mini fridge. I mean, I have more stuff. My roommate has a, you know, regular sized fridge, and she lets me have a drawer in the regular sized fridge. So yeah, you can see my dirty clothes, but there's my other clothes. That's everything in my mini fridge. So thanks for watching this video. I'm very tired. God, I only had 3 hours of sleep today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Later, haters. P.S. Think differently.